Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the units on the Concepts application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open our project and click to the settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Find the document units section, and here you can set the digital unit, imperial unit, and the metric units, and just select one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.